Oppo Reno 13 series launch date officially confirmed on November 25th in China. Oppo's upcoming launch event will also showcase multiple products such as the Pad 3 tablet and the Anko R3 Pro TWS. Oppo Reno 13 series, equipped with self-developed X1 network enhancement chip. The dual-core network technology provides first-class network even in low network scenarios. Now sharing Oppo Reno 13 official teaser reveals. This is the first look Oppo Reno 13 and this is Oppo Reno 13 Pro. Reveals iPhone-like inspired design. Shown above is the butterfly purple color variant of the Reno 13 and Reno 13 Pro. Both phones will come in midnight black and butterfly purple shades. The Reno 13 will also come in galaxy blue and Reno 13 Pro come in starlight pink. Both phones feature a display with slim bezels on the front. Oppo Reno 13 Pro feature a 6.83-inch micro quad curve display with 1.5K resolution. The Reno 13 Pro will come with a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, 50-megapixel front camera. Oppo Reno 13 series offers IP69 rated dust and water resistance and supports underwater photography. Oppo Reno 13 Pro come with MediaTek Dimensity 8300 SoC with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage and run on Android 15. Oppo Reno 13 Pro support 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. The phone will carry a 5900 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.